Hey, I'm Caroline. Welcome back to my channel. I have with me right here in my hands my first ever style bundle that we're gonna be unboxing. As someone pretty inundated with online vintage sustainability spaces, I'm also a subscriber of Alexa Sunshine 83 and Lainey Ozark, so I've heard of style bundles before. I'm also a bit of a control freak though, and know it all, and trust my vision above anyone else's, and so I wouldn't exactly say that makes for probably a great style bundle candidate, but I've been interested for a while. It wasn't until one of my mutuals on TikTok and Instagram actually messaged me and was like, hey, I do style bundles, if that's ever something you've been interested in, just letting you know. And I was like, okay, this is perfect. I've actually been wanting to try a style bundle out. Let me give you my money and you can give me some cute vintage clothes. So shout out to Isabella and thank you. I'll have her shop linked in the description box below with all her info if you want to check her out. I am so fucking excited though. I can't wait any longer. Like the fact that I've waited a couple of days to open this alone is really a test of my patience, and also this is really going to be a test for my control issues. It's like a exposure therapy, but a little more fun. I mean, already based off of the way that she decorated the box, I know that this is gonna be good. Where are my scissors? Isabella and her boyfriend actually both do style bundles for women's and men's wear. Shut up. Ooh. Okay, well I'm already fucking the box up. I'm too excited. Stop. Stop right now. Take a look at that. Yeah, all that sexiness. This feels like Christmas, but better. My father, he means well, but he's a 55-year-old. I wouldn't exactly say man with the finger on his pulse of what I like fashion-wise. Isabella is clearly, though. This is the sweetest, most precious, adorable interaction I've ever had with any person in my entire life. I numbered each piece with a little description, then on the next page I wrote which pieces I've envisioned together using those numbers on the tags. Like I mentioned, I'll have Isabella's site linked down below with more info about her style bundles and pricing, but for me, we decided on the bigger bundle deal of 10 to 15 items priced at $250. From what I've seen, style bundles go anywhere from $50 to $450, so I felt like this was a pretty good in the middle price for also a lot of pieces. It's been a while since I was in school, but from what I can remember, $250, 10 to 15 pieces, that's what, $25 per piece, on top of also paying someone for the time and energy they're spending sourcing the items. Pretty fair trade-off, I would say. On top of Isabella following me, so I felt like she had a pretty good sense of my style. I did send her over some mood boards and just let her know some things that I'd been looking for if she happened to come across them. I like floral print, the color red, lace, denim, polka dots, long maxi skirts. I don't like midi length things, which I did specify. I told her about some items that I'd been on the hunt for but hadn't had any luck finding, and already I'm seeing like all of those items in this box, and so I'm gonna shut up now and get into this because I physically cannot wait any longer. First item, okay, this was something that I'd actually been on the search for. 80s maxi prairie skirt. How fucking cute I did also send her my measurements and sizing and all that stuff, by the way. You know, it's probably important to send the person who's gonna be shopping for you those things. Cool, so yeah, this is just like exactly the perfect skirt that I've been wanting and looking for. What's this? It's red and looks adorable, and I need to open it immediately. 60s Chi-Chi's shirt. Oh my. What did I say about the red? What did I also, if there's anything I love in this world, it is a silly little t-shirt, and this is, I want to start trying these on and styling them how she suggested. Wait, what is this? Is it handmade scrunchie? Now, how did she make this? And how do I do that as well? Because this is so adorable. I've been seeing girls on my Instagram wearing these and thought how cute they were and how I would like to try that out, and now look, I get to try it out. Shut up. I need to show you what I just reacted to. I lifted up this dress. Look what's in this fucking box. I love this. This is so fun. The exposure therapy is going great, as we can see. Amazing. No exaggeration, I have probably 8 pairs of shoes exactly like this sitting in my favorites on Depop right now that are all from $100 to $200. And so the fact that I got these in this whole bundle for $250 already, like I said, I'm not great at math, But things are adding up.
Ew, I didn't even mean for that to sound like an attempt at some lame dad joke.
Just gotta take a moment for these. The contrast stitching, the lace up little detail, yeah. Sick and twisted.
And all mine.
Ooh, wait, she got a little sweet pair of socks too. Something I don't actually have a ton of, so I will be getting a lot of wear out of these. And look at the lace. Shut up. Oh my, the little lace. The little lace. Never upset about a little bit of lace. Next item is an 80s gunny prairie dress. This is not a gunny sack dress that is in here. No, stop. One of the core defining terms I use to describe my style is that of which is a prairie bitch / colonial harlot, and what else could you ask for with this dress? All right, I had to try it on, and it's just precious. This sort of sailor bib type of collar happening is just really doing things for me. I wanted to show you how I tried to style it. You can't really see, wait. I could go with a cool vintage boot, or I could go with a cute little ballet flat. What did she, oh, I bet she styled it with the scrunchie. Yeah, and she, you know what? So real for that. Exactly. Exactly. I feel like a sexy librarian. So moving on, got this 70s bandana. Ooh, more with the red. Also, I love red, white, and blue together, but in a like primary colors that look cute together way, and not in a my pronouns are USA sort of way. Important vibe distinction. I put on my choo-choo's top to style with the bandana, and I'm in love with this top.
The bandana I still gotta play around with a bit.
Wait, as a top, thank you, Aka Boobs. This is adorable. I would wear this outfit out right now. With the shoes, get into this. Get into this. What's next? Denim cropped vest. This is another thing that has been on my thrift list.
I love the wash of this.
Denim crop vest with 80s prairie skirt. Perfect. Vest fits great, skirt fits great. She also had it paired with this scrunchie, which I definitely agree with that decision. Again, with the sort of prairie bitch colonial harlot essence that I love so much. Who cares about coquette or the indie sleeves? I want to look like a woman who in the 1800s would have been burned at the stake for being a common whore. Come on. Is this another one of my thrift list items? An 80s jersey? Yes. Jersey prairie skirt scrunchie. Amazing.
Adorable. I love it. It also looks very similar to stuff I've seen Isabella wear on
her Instagram and style on TikTok, which is just further evidence of how I knew I could trust her to do the style bundle, because we essentially have the same style. Ooh, okay. Next up are 90s short overalls. I mean, if you know anything about me and you follow me, you know how I feel about my overalls. I do have a pair of light wash short overalls. There is no way that I just fucking broke that button. There's no. It snapped right back on. We're good. Everything is good. I didn't realize the extent to my own strength. My bad. I have been lifting weights recently. I'm not even joking right now. I actually have been going to Orange Theory classes and lifting weights. To be fair, they're like the 8-pound weights, but getting down to the last couple of items. Next is a lace mini slip dress. Ooh. Lace and sheer, another one of my favorite combinations. Oh, are these some sunglasses? Shut up. 70s mod sunglasses. How fun. Yeah, over the top, fun statement sunglasses are some of my favorite. And I don't own a pair that's like this. So I'm very excited because clearly that's what was missing in my little collection. Okay, I tried on the dress and I am so happy I did because it fits like a glove with my boots and this denim shirt I threw on over. I would totally see this with a high-waisted skirt as well and just worn as a top. I have a nude bralette on with it right now. Ideally, I would have a white lacy bra, but it's honestly a miracle that I even have this. It is not even a bra, it's a bralette, and it's from middle school. We've reached the last and final item of the style bundle, which are a pair of vintage 70 flares. Okay, I'm really excited, but I will say I'm a little nervous because pants tend to be rough with me and the fit. That is the sexiest backside I have ever seen. please, I want these to fit.
Oh my god, please.
I'm doing this on camera. I'm hoping that maybe my bravery will bring me some good luck.
Okay.
Snug on the thigh.
It's fine. No, it's totally fine. It's gonna fit. They're totally gonna fit.
I mean, technically speaking, they fit and I can button and zip them up. I just cannot breathe and also have a severe camel toe.
Oh no, I've wanted a pair like this for so
long. I'm just something about that 70s like straight up and down long-legged lady is not me.
To be fair, I did give Isabella my measurements
before I went on family vacation where I did nothing for a week except lay on a beach and eat and drink everything in sight.
Oh, my clothes were fitting a little bit snug after that trip, but
maybe I just need to stretch them out a little bit, walk around the house, take a few laps. I don't want to tear them though.
Win some, lose some, you know. Some losses are just so great and vast and earth-shattering.
Well, on that note,
oh wait, is this?
Oh, I totally missed this little sticker.
I love dead people's clothes. Couldn't have said it better myself.
That's gonna be going on my laptop immediately.
Let me just make sure.
Yeah, I think that was actually the last thing.
There you have it. I would say overall, I mean, first ever style bundle,
definitely a success. I am so excited about everything. Like, literally, I feel like I have a whole new wardrobe now. I can't wait to style and mix and match and get to wearing everything.
If you're interested, again, all of Isabella's information will be in the description box.
Her @ is Isabella Ardell and also Sustainability Freaks.
Like always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Also, let me know if you've ever purchased a style bundle before and how it went. And also, if you do style bundles, let me know because now I think I might be entering a new obsession that is going to be very fun for me and potentially some of you, but also very dangerous for my bank account. All right, I'm gonna go. My room is a disaster. Stay sexy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.